Hi. I sound like a dude. Hello. Why do I keep doing this? No. Thank you for clicking this today. Guys, you've been so helpful. I've been so excited about starting this and I've been procrastinating like crazy, but finally gonna do it. If you like what's about to happen, or if you feel like you're about to like what's about to happen, just based off the title and based off of this really crappy intro, go ahead and hit that like button. If y'all want, y'all could go ahead and hit the subscribe button and leave me a nice little comment at the end, you know? Tell me how I did. Tell me if I should keep going. So today, for my very first video, I am going to be doing a chunky braid out. I've done them before, so we about to go on this journey together. If you have any ideas for hairstyles I should try on here, leave them in the comment section. Thank you very much. Yeah, enjoy.
Y'all, let me just tell y'all. I was over here trying to figure out how I was about to set this phone up. I don't have a camera yet, but I was over here trying to figure out how I was going to set this phone up. Y'all better invest in some boxes because it worked. It worked.
Alright, so here I am right now just showing off the products and items that I used to achieve this hairstyle. For this particular style, I used water, a Creme leave-in conditioning spray, as well as Creme hair butter, a few scrunchies, a comb, and eco styler. Everything that I used in this video to achieve this style, you'll be able to find in the description box below. So, to start off, I'm going to section out some hair in the front and pull the rest back with a scrunchie. I'm going to have a total of 7 braids. There's going to be 1 in the front and 3 on each side of my head. For each section, I'm going to follow the same steps. I'm going to spray with some water, then spray the leave-in conditioner. Next, I'm going to comb that through and then apply the hair butter. After I apply the hair butter, I'm going to comb it through some more just to work in the product and make sure it's evenly distributed throughout the section. After I'm done combing that through and working everything in, I'm just going to braid the section down and coil the ends. I'm going to repeat this process for each section of hair.
Okay, y'all, so this is like the finished look, I guess. If y'all see anything in the background, I'm sorry. I'm in the process of packing, so let's ignore it. But yeah, so this is how it looks. I know I look a little cray. Okay, sorry, hello my little situation box here. Okay, but this is how it's gonna look at the end. I'm not sure if this was a tutorial or just showing y'all something new that I was trying, but I mean, I'm gonna show y'all how it comes out, but I'm gonna keep this in for like, I'm not taking these out until maybe tomorrow morning. I'm gonna record that part for y'all. And yeah, I just really hope that I don't forget. So I'm just gonna like tie it back like this. I'm gonna tie that back. I don't know what I think I'm gonna just keep that one. I don't know, but for now I'm gonna just put my little do-rag on or whatever. It's not a do-rag key. Okay, so I'm like type sad because I had more I wanted to say to y'all, but I can't remember. But I'm gonna finish. I am dying. Oh my gosh. I'm going to finish recording this video tomorrow. If y'all have any ideas for videos, any kind of ideas, I know I'm gonna do a Q&A. I don't have a choice, you know. I think that's like a way of passage for every YouTuber. They have to do a Q&A to let y'all know a little bit more about me. If y'all have any questions that y'all want me to answer, put it in the comments, or you can DM them to me, because once I figure it out, it's either gonna be in the description box or it's gonna be like in a corner somewhere. But I'm gonna take this off because I'm not liking how I'm looking. I will finish this video tomorrow.
Alright, so here I'm just taking down the braids. Now I usually use an oil to take down any twist or separate into coils or anything like that on my head, but I forgot to bring it with me. So I'm just making do with what I got. So once I have all the braids out, I just go in and separate them a little bit more with my fingers. Now after I do that, I go back in with my pick and I fluff it up until it looks right to me. That's the best I can explain that. That's pretty much all there is to it. Continue watching to see how I decided to style it and how it turned out. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed.